What's the meaning of collectivism? Collectivism. Collectivism.
Collectivism. Collectivism. Collectivism is a social, economic, or political system where the group, rather than the individual, is seen as the primary unit. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of cooperation, interdependence, and community over individual achievement. In a collectivist society, people are expected to prioritize the needs of the group above their own desires. The result of collectivism can lead to increased social cohesion and solidarity among members of a group, but it may also lead to a suppression of individuality and creativity. Additionally, economic policies based on collectivism often emphasize public ownership and equal distribution of resources.